Let's meet Mr. Octavio today, who has cleared his CCA certification. He is from Angola and he's very happy. Let's hear from him. So, congratulations, Mr. Octavio.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
So, how are you feeling after cracking the CCA exam?
Let me tell you that I have no words to describe exactly how I'm feeling because it's a very great sensation. Okay. Um, it's a dream that was achieved. Okay. And so I'm very happy with this achievement. And this have a big value, okay, for my life, for my career. And yeah, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Okay, so what made you think that you should go for CCA certification?
So first, it is because I I am in IT field for 5 years.
Mhm.
Okay, and one area that I have more facility to manage and to understand
Mhm.
is network. Okay, and I know that CCIE is one of the most valuable, okay, certifications in the IT field.
Mhm.
Okay, um, and I say myself, why not?
Uh-huh.
Okay, why not? Because I think that I am a very competitive person,
Mhm.
and I like to challenge myself. Okay, to grow up and to develop my skills.
Mhm.
And I see that CCIE is a good challenge, okay,
Mhm.
for me, prove myself that I can go to the next level. Yeah, this is why I chose, okay, follow this journey. And but the most important thing is that I know what is the power, okay, of CCIE. It's really a valuable certification, okay, and recognized globally. Okay, and this is something that motivate myself to follow the journey.
And what was your training routine while you were preparing for CCA?
Okay, let me say that my training routing was behind my expectations.
Mhm.
Okay, yeah, because I learned a lot of new things. Okay, yeah, the teachers was very good, very supportive. Yeah, I had a lot of hands-on experience. Okay, like real world scenarios, things like that, and so all of this package of learning helped me a lot. Okay, helped me a lot to understand networks, to understand how the things really work in real world. Okay, and I think that all of this routing training journey contributes, okay, to this achievement. Yes, was very good. My training journey was very good and intensive as well. Intensive as well. Yeah.
Where do you go from here onwards? Like, what is your next step now?
Okay, okay. My step now is like to get a new job.
Okay.
Okay, this is my priority. Okay, my next step. Okay, get a new job and start to implement or apply everything I learn. Okay, but maybe after 1 or 2 years. Okay, I'm just thinking about go to the next CCI. Okay,
Okay, nice.
yeah, and so I probably will do CCI DC. This is my next goal.
Okay.
CCI DC. But for now, I'll just to start working and gain experience and implement everything I learning, okay, because I think that is important. Okay, this hands-on experience, and after that, and now I think that when I crack the first one, now I'm more confident because I know that it's possible, and I can go to the second one and go to the third one. Okay, so but step by step, my next plan about certifications for sure will be CCIDC. Okay, but I will spend the 1 2 years before jump to DC just to consolidate my skills and apply everything I have learned. Yeah, and
Okay, and can you tell me something about your journey? Like you, when did you start your networking career? You belong to which place and something like that.
okay, okay. So let me tell you that first time that I took a network career was in 2020.
Okay.
Okay, 2020. Yeah, I remember I did my CCNA in 2020. Okay, but after took my CCNA in 2020 is in my country. Okay,
You belong to which country?
Angola. I'm from
Angola.
Angola, Angola, Angola. I never work in network field.
Mhm.
It's like because I was working in another field. It's like data analyst, business intelligence. So during 3 4 years, I just was working in another field, and I never apply the things I learned in CCNA, and so I forgot a lot of things. Yeah, and this is why when I chose NB to
Okay.
follow this journey, this CCI integrated training, I prefer start from scratch. Okay, so it's like I start from zero,
Mhm.
from CCNA again.
Mhm.
Okay, and so I arrived here in October, and I start my CCNA. Okay, after CCNA, I go to CCNP in core and then NRC,
Mhm.
and so I moved to the CCIE lab preparation. So yeah, I can consider that okay. The fundamentals knowledge I have learned in the past helped me a little bit, but for sure I learn lots of things and of new things here, and all of the things and its experience I got, yeah, helped me a lot during this journey. Yeah, and so I think that the idea to do the integrated training was the best approach for me. I guess. Hmm.
So you came all the way from Angola to India to do your CCI training and your CCI certification.
Yeah, 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 for sure. For sure.
And
Uh,
it's a great journey. It's a great achievement
mm,
that you have achieved because going for CCI certification is not an easy task.
mhm,
Very few people are able to do it in the world, and you are one of them.
mhm.
And hats off to you. And it's a great feeling for us also. And many, many congratulations once
Okay.
again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
thank you. Thank you.
So that was all from Mr. Octavio. As you can see, he's very happy. And if you also want to achieve your CCI certification, you are also most welcome to join Network Thank you very much.